So the number one reason is going to be value for price. So when I tell someone that we're renting our newest rental in Castleman in Shaw for up to $750 a night, and everyone's always looking at me like, what? How? How would you get that? So if you're dividing up a place that can host 10 people, if it's $500 a night, then it's only $50 a person. So it's not that bad. That's the number one reason why people like it, is because it's more affordable than trying to book hotels. It doesn't always have to be family. Sometimes it's corporate retreats. It's a lot cheaper to book one place and host a ton of people in a large mansion or a large place, or even if it's just 10, than trying to book 5 hotel rooms. LuxuryRetreats.com. Has anybody ever stayed with them in the room? So that is an incredible luxury channel. They have 4,500, I believe, across the world. Villas, they're in the US as well. They do a lot of what we do, which is a 300-point inspection to make sure that everything holds a uniform standard. Airbnb actually just bought LuxuryRetreats.com. So you guys are going to start seeing a new program. We're trying to bring it here in St. Louis. It's called Airbnb Plus, and it just means it's a higher standard, but we make it affordable. Okay, so number 2 is privacy. So a lot of people just like to come in, get off their flight and go somewhere and not have to worry about it. So you get everyone under one place. We have lots of different systems in place. For example, home automation, security, that can help to make sure that people are comfortable. We want them to feel they're in a home away from home, is the concept. A quick story about learning of what to put into rentals. So it started with us just picking and choosing, right? Going to Target and anything we could pile in is what we were getting. We have reviews for a reason. So we listen to everybody. Our host, our guest, we read every single review. We export them, and we want to know what they want, and if they don't tell us, we ask. And the thing I kept getting in the very beginning was a tea kettle. And I never would have thought that that would have been something that would give me a 4 out of 5 score, was a tea kettle. So we went back to the team, and then we ended up obviously getting tea kettles everywhere. So a lot of what we're doing now is making sure that we fast track a lot of people through that stuff. So we get all the supplies. We will make sure that everything is well equipped. So amenities, more space overall, full kitchen, privacy, and value for price.